guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to talk about kubectl get, right? We talk about kubectl get. Now, you say kubectl get in Kubernetes when you want to list resources, right? When you say kubectl get, then you pass the API resource that you want. So use kubectl get when you want to list resources. For example, you can say kubectl get port, meaning that you want to get a list of port. You can say kubectl get node, meaning that you want to get the list of node. You can say kubectl get port, get node, get stateful set. So let's go to the terminal. If I want to see the list of port, I will say kubectl get port. It will show me the list of port. I can say kubectl get node. It will show me the list of node. I can say kubectl, for example, get, if I want to see cluster row, I will say CR. It will show me the list of the cluster row. Okay, it's not CR, it is cluster row. It will show me all the cluster row that I have. If I want to get a cluster row binding, I will say cluster row binding. It will show me all the cluster row binding that we have. Wow, it's not taking. So you have to type it, cluster row. So cluster row and then binding. It will show me all that. If I want to see the list of config map, I will say kubectl get config map. It will show me the list of config map. The same goes for secret. If I say get secret, I will see the list of secret. The same goes for deployment. If I say kubectl get deploy, it will show me the list of deployment, right? You don't have to say deployment, you can cut it short to deploy. I can say kubectl, for example, get STS, that's the stateful set. I can say kubectl, for example, get config map, show me the config map. Or I can say, for example, kubectl get persistent volume, it will show me. I can say persistent volume claim, it will show me the persistent volume claim that I have. For example, I can say storage class. I want to see the storage class, it will show me. Or I want to see the namespace NS, it will show me. It will show me, for example, we say get to actually list something. Now you can say kubectl get port, and you can see a resource in the long format, right? Get port me in long form. I can say get port -oy. It will show me the port. It will not only show me the port, but it will show me where the port is being deployed, and will show me a lot of information, like, for example, because when you say kubectl get port only, that's what you have. It only show you the status. If it's ready, is it ready? It show you the readiness, the status, how many times restart, and the age. But if you say -oy, it gives you more information, like the age. It gives you more information, for example, like the IP address of the port, like where the node, like on which node the port is scheduled, if the port is nominated, or the readiness state on the port. So it gives you more information, right? It gives you more information here. Now, if you say, for example, you want to get the YAML file of a specific port, if you want to, let's say if you kubectl get port, I have this. If I want to see the YAML file of this port, I can say kubectl get port -o YAML. And you can do this for multiple resources, right? You can say kubectl get port, you pass the port name, kubectl get port, you pass the port name, say -o YAML, it will show you the YAML file. And you can do that for all API resources, config map, secret, deployment, stateful set, cluster row binding. You can do that for all. So when you want to see the YAML file, you use -o YAML. When you want to see it in long range, you use -o wide. So, but if you just want to see the short version, just say kubectl get, then after get the resource, right? If I say kubectl get port, for example, you show me all the port. I can also, if I just want to see this port called web 0, I can say kubectl web port and specify that it will only show me that port. All right. So the get is actually to list. I hope you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.